Hello friends! Welcome back to our cozy kitchen where we turn simple ingredients into heartwarming dishes. Today, we're making a delicious, rich and comforting French onion soup, a timeless classic that's perfect for chilly evenings or when you're craving something soulful and satisfying. Let's dive right into this flavorful journey. Here's what you'll need. 50 grams of butter, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 150 grams of onion slices, cut in rings, 1.5 litres of beef or chicken stock, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of white pepper, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, French bread slices, cheddar cheese slices or Parmesan if you prefer. In a large pot, melt the butter with olive oil over medium heat. Now add your sliced onions and begin caramelizing them slowly. Stir gently until the onions become tender and translucent. But remember, do not brown them. Add your flavorful stock, Worcestershire sauce, and a pinch of thyme if you like. Season with salt and white pepper. Let it all simmer gently for about 30 minutes so the flavors can come together beautifully. Ladle the hot soup into oven-safe bowls. Place 1 slice of French bread on top of each bowl. Feel free to break the bread into smaller pieces if you prefer. Now layer a generous slice of cheddar cheese or Parmesan over the bread. Place the bowls on a cookie sheet and broil them in a preheated oven for 2 to 3 minutes or until the cheese is bubbling and slightly golden. And there you have it, a warm, cheesy, soul-soothing French onion soup that will comfort your heart and satisfy your taste buds. If you loved this recipe, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your family and foodie friends. Your support means the world and helps us bring more delicious recipes straight to your kitchen. Until next time, take care and happy cooking!